nice, peaceful airplane trip. If it's laggy, guys, I'm sorry. I'm on a normal plane trip. Nothing can go wrong. Pilot menu? I don't want to be why is the plane doing this? Emergency. What? No. I think it says enemy.
Light too low.
Oh. What is this beeping sound? I fastened my seatbelt. It said right here. I fasten your seatbelt. Oh my gosh. Flight attendant. Oh, what was that sound? People, get the freak back. Frick, get back in my seat. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, if it's lagging. What is going on? Everybody's in the floor. Get in the seatbelt. I'm sorry. It's so laggy. Engine exploded. Oh my gosh. Is it? Everybody's in the wall. Is it done? Are we in water? Oh my gosh, I just got hit by a person. Oh my gosh, what is this blue stuff? Open. Oh. Get out, we gotta get out, we gotta get out, we gotta get out. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, it's so laggy. Oh my. Oh no. It's so laggy guys, cause this thing is so big. Subscribe